Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. Today's topic is page formatting. So in Power BI, we use page formatting to make reports look clean and professional, and so it helps to organize visuals properly for better understanding, and it improves the user experience with colors and layout and alignment. So it makes reports very interactive and easy to analyze the data by using the page formatting in Power BI. So we have six options in page formatting. So page information and canvas settings and canvas background. So wallpaper and so filter panels, filter cards here. So let me explain one by one. So here first is a page information. So it is used to rename the report page and add description, and it helps to the user to understand what page is about. So here you can see the desktop. So this is the desktop. So it is placed in the visualizations. So here we have. So here format report, your report page is there option. Just click on that. So we have different page options to modify that canvas, and if you want to set the image in the background, so we can use these options. So here page information is there. So in the page information, so it allows the use as tooltips and allow Q&A. So here it shows page 1. We can also give the rename for that page. So I'm giving the rename for that. So I'm checking page format. See that automatically it has changed that page format whenever we have changed here page information. So we can also give the rename here. So when you right click on that, so it shows that duplicate and rename. So other options, just from here also you can give the rename. So this is the page information. Use it to rename the report page and add the description, and it helps to the users understand. So and one more is canvas settings. Use it to set the page size and display type. So it controls how the report page appears on the screen. So wherever we are working, wherever we are creating the reports, that is the canvas. So here you can see the white space within the dotted lines. So that is the canvas. So within the dotted lines, so this is canvas. So I am setting that canvas. So see that setting, canvas setting here. So here we have types. We have different types. 4 is 3 and 16 is 9 and later and tooltip and custom. So by default it is showing 16 is 9. So you can also change that to 4 is 3. So see that. So you can see some change. So and use later. So it shows as later. So it shows canvas as later, and tooltip. So it shows like so small area. So custom means you can also change height and width here. 240 pixels and so width 320 pixels. So you can also change this width and height here. So this is all about canvas settings. So in the canvas settings we have different so vertical alignment, top and middle. So if you want to display these canvas within the dotted lines, so if you want to show that in middle, so click on that middle, so it shows in the middle. So we can set canvas like this. So canvas means so what we are working. So wherever we are working in the dotted lines. So this is canvas. So without dotted lines, so this is not canvas. So wherever we are working in white space, so that is that shown in within dotted lines. So next one is the canvas background. Use it to set the background color or image for the report page area. So you can also adjust the transparency here. So here you can see that canvas background. So here within the dotted lines, this is the canvas. So I am changing the background. So here you can also change the color for that. So I am taking the purple color. So here we have transparency, 100% transparency. So you can adjust that. So see that. So canvas is in purple color. So you can also change the colors. So see that. So you can also change the colors from this. If you want to give the image in the canvas background, just take the image from your personal computer. So I'm taking image from my computer. See that? So it shows the image in the background. Suppose if you want to set the image in fit means so it shows full screen. So see that. So this is the canvas. So background. So we can also insert the image and we can also set the colors for that. So I am changing it to white. So see that. So this is all about canvas background. So in this way we are setting the canvas background. If you want to give the image for that, so you can use the background. So canvas background, and one more is the wallpaper. So it is used to set the background for the entire report canvas outside the page area, mainly used for design and theme styling. So you can also use this. So I'm taking the page. So canvas settings. I'm setting it to. So I'm setting as tooltip. So you can now you can see the change here. So this is the wallpaper I'm using. So in the wallpaper also we have colors. So click on the color, any color you can select. So I'm taking the blue as. So see that. So it shows like this. So you can also set the image from this. So when you set that image, so you can also fit that image normal or full or anything. So, so this is the wallpaper. So use it to set the background for the entire report canvas outside the page. So two more options is there, filters panel and filter card. So panel means here you can see the filters options. Whatever we are searching in this. So we can also change the color for this search box and we can also give the size for the font for these headings, filter on this page and filter on all pages. So I'm using that. So filter panel. So this is the filter panel. I'm changing this filter panel here. So click on that filter panel. So here we have so many options is there. So font size. So if you want to change the font size, so here you can see. So it shows the bold. So you can also change the font sizes. You can also increase the font sizes here. So text and icons color. Suppose if you want to change it to pink, so you can also change like this. So input means whatever we are searching here. So that is the input box. So you can also change that input box color. So I am taking the blue. So here you can see that. So light colors I am taking. So see that light pink. So it had shown that. So header filters on this page and filter all pages is the header. So you can also change sizes for that. So 10, so it is increasing like this. Search box. So search box also. So you can so you can increase the sizes for that. So borders and backgrounds, we can also change the backgrounds. See that? So you can also change the background color for that. So I'm taking some color. So see that you can see the background color like this. So I'm taking purple. See that. So this is all about filters panels. We can also modify the filters panel like this. So and one more is filter cards. Use it to format the individual filter boxes inside the filter panel. You can change the font and color size for the filter options. So when you are applying filter cards, we need some data. So just insert some data. Here we have home option. So in the home, we have enter data here. So click on the enter data. So I'm inserting some data here. So column, I'm taking ID, and column 2, I'm taking name. So ID 101, I name Ram here. So if you want to take age, you can take that. 20, I'm taking. So 102, then 103. So give the table name. So customer details, I am taking. So just load the data. So it is loading. So if you want to apply, if you want to give the modification to the filter cards, we need some information. So that is why, because I am inserting the data into this Power BI desktop. So see that I have inserted some data here. So see that customer details, customer age and ID name. So now I am applying the filter cards here. So I am minimizing this. So so we have filter cards here. So take any, select the age and ID name. So it shows like this image clustered column chart. So if you want to change these filters cards, so you can use, so here so see that here you can see the filter cards. So here text is like that, right? So I'm changing it to blue. So now I am filtering that age wise and ID and name. So see that it has displayed like whatever we have set the color blue in the filter cards. So it has applied for that. So when we are applying, when we are using the filter cards, we need some data for that. So then only we can apply that. So this is all about filter cards. So use it to format the individual filter boxes inside the filter panel. These are the individual filter boxes. Name and sum of age, sum of ID is the filter cards. If you change that, so we need filter cards in this. So this is all about page formatting. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.